1.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Dazzlers of Division A. It is a show focused on recognizing the efforts of Toastmasters who have contributed significantly to our Toastmasters fraternity and its people. In our today's episode, we are welcoming our fourth Dazzler, who is a two-time first runner-up of club level international speech contest, one of the founding members of Samvad Hindi Toastmasters Club. He has also served the club as a secretary for Bhopal Toastmasters Club and is currently serving as the Vice President Education. Please help me welcome Toastmaster Shiv Awasthi.
Thank you, Toastmaster Richa.
Thank you, Shiv. You are the youngest dazzler in the series. How does it feel?
Firstly, Toastmaster Richa, I want to extend my greatest gratitude to you for taking such an initiative. This is something that really enhances the potential and the morale of every single individual in Toastmasters. Kudos to you, firstly, on that. Secondly, our Toastmaster family is full of such experienced and wonderful members that automatically helps, and learning from such individuals becomes really important. And if you talk about how does it feel to be such younger dazzler, it's something really amazing.
Taking a note from that, who is your mentor and how did they shape you?
Currently, I do not have any mentor. My past mentor was Toastmaster Ayush Chan. He taught me how to improvise, and he just said, "Bro, you just have your Toastmaster of the Day's theme. You know how it has been to be a complete clueless person. Okay, make it a theme." I said, "Oh my god, this man is genius." So for that day, my theme for as a Toastmaster of the Day was being clueless, and I really nailed it.
I remember when we had joint meeting in Bhopal, you were the table topic master and you came up with super duper difficult topics. So how do you approach table topics and what would have been your take on it if you would have been a table topic speaker?
Basically, Toastmaster Richa, as a table topic master, my approach is basically on three basic aspects. Firstly, I always try to stay away from that just prepare some six or seven chits. So I feel bringing creativity in table topics enhance the quality of speakers as well. That brings me to the second segment that I think while preparing table topics. That is create table topics and two basic sides. First side is for seasoned members, that is first topics for seasoned members, and few topics for those who are either new or they are guest. And third is always try to do something different and make a theme of your table topics. And if I am a table topic speaker, I generally prefer speaking something humorous. Topic is serious, still try to be humorous. If it is humorous, then I'd still try to be humorous. That is the thing.
Okay, so I think we can all take a cue from that we can divide our table topics into two parts, that is one for the senior members and the other one for either guests or beginners. And that can help a lot of people overcoming their fear. So now it's time for our fun segment. As we are Toastmasters, I have the tags to suit our decorum. In this segment, you will be given 3 tags and the name of 3 Toastmasters, and you have to assign a tag to each Toastmaster. The tags are mentor, you want to be their mentor; judge, you will judge them or evaluate them; and pass, you will pass their speech, performance, or event. So here it starts. The first one is Akshat, Aviral, Jason.
I would like to be mentor of Toastmaster Aviral because sometimes I feel he is losing creativity. So I would like to teach him to have a sort of creativity. I would like to be the judge of Toastmaster Akshat because sometimes I feel that as he is senior member, so people generally hesitate while recommending him something. So I would like to be his judge. And Jason for the third option, because the simple reason we are friends and we don't mind each other, whatever we say or whatever we do.
So that was all from the fun segment, and now we are moving on to the questions. As you are into weightlifting, and I believe any sort of regime requires discipline, determination, and perseverance. Do you think it also helps you focus on Toastmasters?
Yes, definitely. Everyone generally thinks that any sort of regime, whether it is weightlifting, powerlifting, anything, main thing that requires is strength. But let me tell you this one very simple fact. In that 100% of caliber of any individual, 10% is just strength. Apart from that remaining 90%, all it is willpower and consistency. That's all it takes. If I want to lift 120 kilos and my weight is just 80 kilos, then it's my willpower, it's my consistency that drives me through that thing.
Moving on, we see you are also inclined towards supporting social causes. ISC Toastmasters Club organized a drive named Adopt a Tree. Would you like to share about it?
This initiative was taken by Toastmaster Abhinav Kaur from ISC Toastmasters Club. Like, it was not a PR activity or any kind of thing, it was completely out of our hearts and out of our will. There were around 25 to 30 group of individuals, retired army officers, retired government individuals, private individuals, advocates, everyone was there. Looking at their positivity towards life, looking at their energy, that really changed my perspective towards life. And the way they were into planting trees as their child, and that was the gist of this entire drive. Like, adapt a tree, treat that plant as your own child.
We are on to the ultimate question now, and I would like to know what is that code that you believe in?
I believe work is worship. This is the this is the quote that I always tend to keep in my heart, in my mind, whenever I do anything. Few months back, I saw a movie Love Aajkal, and there Sara Ali Khan was talking to her boss, and she said her work, her profession, her career is her boyfriend. And somehow or the other way, I'm also trying to inculcate that thing because I really love what I do. So yeah, this is the only reason that I always praise this quote. Work is worship.
Okay, on that note, Shiv, it was really a great time to have you on our Dazzlers of Division A initiative.
Thank you so much, Rishaj.
And this is all from our side. Thank you so much. It's time to dazzle.
बहुत गंदा था ये
इसलिए मैं वेट कर रही थी
पॉज कर दिया